Everyone, welcome to a mouthwatering culinary journey. Today, in collaboration with Wild Fork Foods, we're going to be creating this beef ribeye tomahawk steak. We're going to serve it with a smoky bell pepper butter and chimichurri sauce. Let's get started. First, let's prepare our star ingredient. Take your Wild Fork Wagyu beef tomahawk steak, make sure it's thawed and at room temperature. Generously season it with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper for that perfect flavor infusion. Now the magic begins. Heat up a large cast iron griddle until it's sizzling hot. Place your seasoned steak in the pan and listen to that beautiful sear. After about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, look at that golden brown crust. Next, we move to the oven. Preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, your steak goes in for a perfectly even cook. For medium rare steak, it'll take about 30 minutes. Use a meat thermometer to get it just right. Time to add a little extra flair. We've crafted a smoky red pepper compound butter. It's a blend of roasted red pepper, butter, smoked paprika, and more. To make it, we simply add the ingredients to the food processor and give it a few quick pulses to blend everything together. Next, we transfer it to parchment paper, roll it into an easy-to-slice log, and place it in the cooler to firm up a bit before slicing. After it's chilled, I love to place a slice right on the steak as it's resting. This allows those incredible smoky flavors to baste the meat. For that extra zing, we've prepared a tangy chimichurri sauce. It's a blend of parsley, garlic, and spices. Drizzle it over your steak and watch those flavors dance. The moment we've all been waiting for. The quality of the meat paired with the balance of the acidity from the chimichurri and the freshness of the parsley coupled with the rich, smoky butter is to die for. Look at those succulent juices. I mean, you've got to try this at home. It is a real crowd pleaser. We hope you enjoyed this incredible dish crafted in collaboration with Wild Fork Foods. For the full recipe and more exclusive offers during Cyber Week, check out the Wild Fork Foods website.